Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be upgrading our pressure washer hose and gun. The current setup is the Ryobi electric pressure washer, 1600 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. I have a 1/4 inch Scheiffer pressure hose, 50 feet, and then the Twinkle pressure gun attached here. So if you're familiar with pressure washers, you'll know that the hoses can be kind of difficult to work with just because they kind of bind when you go to wrap them up. So I'm going to be upgrading to the Flexzilla, which is 50 feet long, also 5/16 inch, and has M22 steel connectors, good up to 3100 psi, which is more than enough, non-kink bend restrictor, which is what we're going for, and then also cold water use only. So I picked this up for about $60 at the local Farm and Fleet. You can see the connectors here. They kind of give you a little bit of extra protection here so that it doesn't bend right at the connector. And then we are upgrading to the MTM Hydro pressure gun. So this is the SGS28 that comes with a swiveling end here, so that should also help for any kind of binding when in use. I did opt for the quick disconnect package. It comes with stainless steel quick disconnects, the 40-degree nozzle tip, and then also a quick disconnect actually to be used with the hose. So we can quick disconnect. That'll help you not drag the gun on the floor or on the ground, and you'll be able to coil up your hose for storage. So this comes already pre-torqued, and with the Teflon tape, we're going to go ahead and put this in one end, and then this will stay with the hose, and then we can quick disconnect the pressure gun at any time. So we're going to go ahead and cut to some shots using the existing setup to rinse the truck. Then we'll hook up the new setup, rinse the truck, and then we do have a little bit of Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam left in the Amazon foam cannon, so we're going to hook it up and see if we lose any type of pressure or performance, and then I'll kind of come back and recap my thoughts on the new setup. I would say there's no difference in performance between the two setups. Foam is still thick even with the larger diameter hose. The swivel pressure gun is definitely worth the extra money. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the truck, but to end a quick pressure washer system update. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.